Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at some Troom Troom videos, well, one Troom Troom video. We're looking at 12 ways to sneak snacks into college. We're looking at the other ones. They're on like a weird kick right now of like broke people versus rich people. I don't really get it. Anyway, we're going to be looking at 12 ways to sneak snacks into college. So let's get into it.
Roll out blended sponge cake with a filling. Cut out a bow tie. Coat it with melted chocolate.
Okay, so obviously I'm not doing this craft because one, I don't want to, and two, I don't want to.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Nah, June has a full-on candy store under her desk. Hi, how can I help you? Glue candy to thick cardboard.
So their second idea of a way to sneak snacks in college is, I guess, to hire a
Little person
and have them give you candy. I don't know how easy that would be, but I would do that one if I could.
Attach a printed name
This
of a
is more my
book to a
speed.
notebook cover.
I'm going to do this one.
Cut the middle out of the notebook.
Okay, so I need an X-Acto knife
Fill the space you got with chips.
and a book. And chips? That's easy. Easy. Yeah, I'll do this one.
So yeah, you're gay.
So it seemed pretty straightforward in there, but I want to make sure I do this right. So let's SAT review guide. I figured I wouldn't be needing this ever again. So I don't know if I want to start on the first page because I feel like if I do in the middle, it'll be more discreet, And this is all about like sneaking. So let's get started. I'm gonna try to hold this still while I do this, but I don't know how well it's gonna turn out. So, okay, this doesn't work.
I figured out a new way to hold it. It doesn't really work. Alright. Anyway, go down. Along this way. Alright. This is working perfectly. So yeah, we got through some pages. I'm really nervous about cutting my hand.
So I did some work off camera, and this is what we ended up with. But now we gotta put it to the real test and see if it holds chips. Okay, I've got my bag of Lay's right here. Let's just put some in. Okay, now I can see if it closes. No way, guys. I think it might have actually worked. Okay. So we're gonna open the pages. Okay.
Yeah,
and
boy.
boom! We did it, dude. I've got chips right here. Oh my gosh.
It's so good. It's crunchy. It's really good.
Honestly,
I think it's gotta be a 10 out of 10.
it's perfect. I think, aside for a little oil, but I won't be using this anyway. I think this might be the best Troom Troom video that might be.
It's really good. I recommend it. Go check it out. Try it for yourself.
And yeah,
Let me know how it goes in the comments. See you guys next time.
Goddamn, I feel like the man. Freshman of the year, I woke up like the man. Never poppin' Zans, cause they killing me, damn. When you got it money, they be trying to be your friend. Okay, this a lame ass beat. Walk up on your bitch, my dick, 8 feet deep.